Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. So let's get started. First we will see how to do this on Spotify app on mobile. Open Spotify app on your mobile device. Now tap on gear icon which is settings located at the top right corner. From the available options tap on playback. Under playback, you will find the option as autoplay. This is the option which controls the playing of similar songs. Simply turn off this autoplay option and Spotify will stop playing the suggested songs. Now let's see how to do this on Spotify app on PC or Mac. Open Spotify desktop app. Click on down arrow located next to your display name. Now click on settings. Scroll all the way down and here as well you will find the option autoplay. Just turn off this autoplay option and on desktop as well Spotify will stop playing suggested songs. So that was the short tutorial on how to stop Spotify from playing suggested songs. If you find the video helpful then please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.